Welcome back to another Hexploit video. I have a cool video for you guys, and what I want to talk about are these two little small devices worth it in 2026? Should you spend your money on them? Should you invest in it? Let me tell you if it's worth it. So these M5 devices, right? Everywhere hacking videos, everyone talks about them, everyone hypes and talks shit about them, you know. But in 2026 now, so the real question is, they're still worth it? Or are people just recycling tech, right? Let's face it. So at the end of the day, let's be honest with these two. M5 devices are microcontrollers, in my opinion. They are not hacking tools out of the box. They don't do anything unless you tell them to, right? So you have to download a M5 burner, if I'm not wrong. If I am, please correct me down below. Love you guys' comments. I'll reply as many as I can. I know some of you are just keyboard warriors, but let's go with it. So, if you have any ideas or any things you think you can do with them, drop it down below. I love to inspire other new hackers or IT guys or stuff like that to get out there, talk about, even open a community chat where you can go on a channel and start your own debate on a channel, which I'll be joining in as well, and we can have a lot of fun. But anyway, so what you're buying here isn't power, isn't potential at the end of the day, right? People buy M5 devices because they are cheap, small, and flexible. You can literally size them in the pocket. Battery size, really, really okay. Fully charged one, fully playing it, full heavy load scripts on there. You may be looking around maybe an hour, 2 hours max, if you're happy, or less. But you can turn them into a Wi-Fi, tools. Bluetooth tools, scanners, testers, whatever you're capable of building, right? In a recent video when we talked about our gadgets which we have, I've seen people breaking them apart and, modifying them, which you can, nothing's stopping you, but obviously if you break it, you break it, no one's responsible except from you. That's the appeal, and that's also where most people get stuck. What can I do with them? I've seen people build little drones with them, or drone controllers, camera controllers, things that this can even take pictures. Obviously you have the right hardware attached to it, right? Not just off the bat. Let's face it, let's not be stupid here, right? So here's the truth nobody says. Most people buy M5 devices, flash one firmware, run it twice, and then it lives in a drawer, like most hacking gadgets. Not because the device is bad, but because people stop learning, they get bored of them really quickly. So in 2026, pre-built tools are easy. Understanding what they actually do happens very rarely, in my opinion. So, this one's a new one, M5 Stick Plus 2. This is the M5 Stick, right? So different firmwares for both, right? You can find a lot of cool firmware on GitHub, which I recommend, or you can use the M5 Stick burner software you can use to burn stuff on it and download already pre-built builds. Some are good, some are just basically hype and context. They don't work, or you have to pay for subscriptions off GitHub or Twitch or stuff like that, or Discord if you need to join. So yes, if you're willing to learn, if you want to plug and play hacking toy, this isn't it basically. But if you want something to basically, you can rebuild, reprogram, repurpose, M5 device still makes sense in my opinion. But they age well because software evolves. Hardware, let's say these two, right? This is flexible, doesn't expire, right? So these will never expire. You can download whatever you want. It will take it, right? So let's be fair. Tiny screens, limited battery, no handing and holding, basically. And if you don't understand Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or basic networking, you'll be confused very fast, in my opinion, and you're going to lose track of it. This is not beginner-friendly tech, which can be if you know roughly what you're doing, but also, so the question is, isn't it, or is M5 worth in 2026? So the question is, do you want to use tools or do you want to understand them? Ask yourself that question, because M5 rewards the second group, in my opinion. So in future videos, I'll show what these can actually do, or I already made some videos about it. And like, for example, how to hack a Wi-Fi, or how to use an evil twin on here to hack a Wi-Fi. It gets more to it. So go back, watch the videos, hopefully enjoy them. But in future videos, I'll also show what people mess up with. No hype, no fear, just reality. This is what it is about, right? So if that's useful to you, you know what to do, crack on. You know, the world's your oyster, the sky's the limit, right? So hopefully this video, you understood something, you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button, share it, show your friends who are interested in IT and IoT devices and more. And you know what to do. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hexploit out.